Hi everyone, welcome back to the Food Locker. Today we are making chicken and broccoli stir fry. It is an easy, delicious dinner. I will show you how to cook this yummy dish at home the simple way. Let's get started. We will start with the onion. I'm using only half. Slice it not too thin. I want to keep some texture. Here's the garlic. Finely chop it into small pieces. Then cut half a carrot into thin slices. I like to cut it less than a quarter-inch thick because thick pieces take longer to soften. Now cut the broccoli into random bite size. Different sizes give more texture in the dish. Now prepare a boiling water. Drop the broccoli into boiling water for about half to 1 minute. Pre-cooking helps it soften before we stir fry. Take it out and set aside. Now the chicken. Cut each breast into 2 pieces first, so it's easier to slice thin. I'm using skinless chicken breast because it's a bit healthier. Let's start marinate the meat. Marinate with soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, white pepper, baking soda, cornstarch, and a little water. Mix well so every slice gets cold. Last step, add a little bit oil and mix again. Let it sit for about 30 minutes. Let's mix the sauce before we cook. We will add this when we stir fry. Combine oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, and sugar. Then mix it all together. Preheat your pan and add oil. Move the pan so the oil covers the whole surface. When the oil is hot, add the marinated chicken and spread it out in the pan. Flip the chicken to make sure we pan fry both sides of each pieces. Then, add the carrot, onion, and garlic into the pan. I'm adding only half the sliced onion now. Save the rest for later so we still get chunky onion texture. Stir fry for a bit so the onion and garlic flavor goes into the chicken. When the chicken is about medium well, pour in the sauce and a little water. Fry everything on high heat. When the chicken is fully cooked, add the broccoli and the rest of the onion. Stir fry everything together for about 30 seconds so the sauce coats the broccoli. And we are done! The onion stays a little chunky. The broccoli looks great. This is an easy dish anyone can make at home. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!